After deliberations to strengthen its ties to the Philippines, Croatia then opened hundreds of job opportunities for Filipinos. Bian Manalo reports.
For breadwinner Giancarlo Joquino, working abroad is one of the ways he sees today to provide a good life for his family. He worked as a room attendant in a hotel in their area in Calasiao, Pangasinan for 6 years. So, he did not miss the opportunity to apply when he saw and get wind of the Croatian government looking for Filipino workers. He immediately submitted an application on the website or portal of the Department of Migrant Workers last month. He is applying as a room attendant.
Para po sa pamilya po, makatulong po, makaahon sa hirap. Kumbaga maibigay yung mga pangangailangan ng pamilya, magulang po, makatulong sa mga kapatid.
Nearly a month of patiently waiting finally paid off. He is one of the pre-qualified applicants selected for an interview tomorrow with potential employers.
Marami pong salamat sa DMW kasi marami po kayong natutulungan na tulad ko. Hindi lang po ako, marami po kami na matutupad na po yung pangarap namin na makapunta ng ibang bansa at makatulong sa aming pamilya.
Do you dream of working in the so-called a land of 1,000 islands? This is Croatia, which is located between the eastern and western parts of Europe. Well, good news because the Croatian government will open more than 400 jobs for Filipinos under the government-to-government hiring program or G2G arrangement. This means the selected applicants will not have to pay any fees because there are no recruitment agencies in the middle. Work experience is also not mandatory. Some of the open jobs are in the hospitality and food service sectors, including room attendants, waiters, and cooks. Offering more than 1,000 euros or the equivalent of more than 60,000 pesos in salary per month, depending on the position. Applicants must first register online at the DMW portal for an appointment. But the DMW says there will also be a job fair for those who want to apply, so they should keep up to date on their social media pages. Qualifications and documents to be submitted can also be found on the DMW website. The authority strictly reminds our citizens to avoid being victims of human traffickers.
This is an occasion to celebrate our deepening ties, labor cooperation, and time-honored people-to-people connection between our two nations.
Mutual respect, common values, and strong commitment to peace, stability, and prosperity.
Meanwhile, the Philippine-Croatia Friendship Week kicks off today. It will strengthen bilateral labor relations, cultural cooperations, and people-to-people connections between the two countries. Bian Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.